What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be answering another kind of a simple viewer question, and that is going to be on these older W bodies, how to remove this lower door trim and put it back on. Okay, for visual reference, we're going to be using my 99 GTP. I do not need to change this, so I'm not going to take it off, but I am going to show you guys kind of how this works. Pretty much with these door panels, you've got two spots where they connect at the bottom and at the top. This whole top ridge is connected to the door with adhesive, which you can see is separated here, and that's pretty common on these. The other part is there's a metal thing that runs along the bottom here that the bottom of this sits in. If you feel under here, you'll feel that there's a lip. That lip sits on that metal. So basically what you're going to do, if you're trying to remove it, is you're going to grab it, pull up and out. You have to peel this off without breaking it, so be very careful. Then you're going to clean all that adhesive off. You're going to replace it with something like 3M emblem adhesive, two-sided tape, something like that. You're going to put that along here. Then you're going to stick this in. Actually, what I do to put it back is first I line it up and sit the bottom ledge of this on the little metal piece that it catches on. Then you just press this in all the way down the door. Hold it for a couple seconds until it sticks, and then that's it. That's what holds them on. Now on the two doors, this part obviously is part of the lower trim that's held on a different way, but the 4 doors and 2 doors both on the actual door have the same thing held on the same way, so you would take those on and off exactly the same. That is it for this one. This is just another little short video to answer a question. Make sure you're subscribed, and there will be more videos coming out. Hopefully I'm gonna have another one this week, so I will see you guys in that video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.